Yo, hello and welcome. Today I will show you the best place to buy plugins. Really cheap. And the best part is their customer support is top tier. They are very polite, very fast, and they are really helpful. I want to thank Thomas. He was really helpful, really nice, and really fast. I had an issue with buying Scalar 2. I wanted to make a video on Scalar 2. There was an issue, maybe on my part, I believe, but I'm not sure yet. I'm still waiting the fix. So if we take a look here, we are on Plugin Boutique. Most of the music producers know them. They are really amazing, and they don't even just deliver plugins. You can see here they have software, they have courses, they have bundles, they have a lot of what you need as a music producer. So if we go to deals, for example, as you can see here, you can see there is a lot of discounts here. As you can see here, there is deals over deals over deals. This one, for example, 95%, guys. Look, and the deals keeps going and keep going and keep going. The prices is always like that. Like maybe there is a plugin that will be out of the discount, but give it a month or two, you will see it here. Not even months, maybe weeks. You can see a lot of plugins that are not just, how do I say it, infamous. Here you can see Antares, the auto-tune thing. Here you go. A lot of good plugins and a lot of amazing and standard plugins, like community standard here. So you can just buy from them and save a lot of money. Not just that, they also give you plugins for free as well. They're like, when you buy something, they will give you bonuses sometimes. They will give you free plugins, maybe they will give you a coupon. I don't know what to say. I just love the website and the company overall. This video was not sponsored, by the way. I forgot to say that, but I wish they would sponsor me. I will do a lot of videos on the amazing plugins and the amazing services they provide. And because of the support was really nice. So that made me love the company even more. The key to success is to have good people, polite people, reply fast and with respect to you. They did all of that. And to add to that up, the service is really good. So I don't know what to say more. Check them out. I will leave the link in the description. If you want to buy something, why not buy it cheap from here? They are really good. As you can see here, it's 90% deal. 90. Why not? So yeah, this was the video. I plan to do a lot of plugins reviews, some advices for producers, some music production, basically information overall, and maybe more stuff here and there that I think that you guys will benefit from it. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and be nice, my demons.